Hey, I'm John from Trifecta. Today we're going to do a couple of video clips. I'm going to talk a little bit about crop control. There's a lot of questions and I'm going to give you some answers via video so that you understand it a little bit easier. The first thing we're going to talk about is what our product really is and kind of how it works a little bit. And I'm going to give the analogy when we're looking at detergents and the essential oils and how they work and how they mix. It's nothing new to the ag industry, a little bit new to the cannabis, and I'm going to distinguish the difference between some products and ours. But if you take the analogy of where you're taking greasy pots and pans and you're washing them in the sink, you pull those greasy pots and pans out and there's beads of oil all over the place. And you add a little bit of detergent to that and all of a sudden you see those beads of oil repel itself to the outside. That's because the detergent is wrapping around that hydrocarbon, that oil, and it's repelling it almost like magnets from each other. So most of the time when you spray any type of plant with just oils, you'll see beads of oil everywhere. Ours is a little different. We take our detergent and we shear it down to a smaller size, and it actually breaks apart that hydrocarbon, and it allows for an emulsion that creates a smooth, solid surface across the whole plant. Now when you do that, you're suffocating those soft body insects and you're preventing powdery mildew, and you're taking out that powdery mildew, the oxygen to all of those different things. You're suffocating a lot of stuff. And when you spray that at 2 ounces per gallon, you're probably going to see the plants frown a little bit, droop a little bit. That's totally normal. More or less with the sativas more than the indicas. Most of the indicas are a little more resilient. But after 24 hours, they bounce back. And to be honest with you, after about 2 applications, you probably won't see it again. With preventative maintenance, you may never see it. You know, when you're doing a ½ ounce or 1 ounce per gallon, you'll probably never see that whatsoever. But that's kind of the idea and the concept between a detergent and an essential oil and how that works and how ours is a little different from some of the other stuff on the market.